Nature's whisper, nature's call, nature's song, nature's embrace. Listen to the soil breath, watch the vines she feeds us, her shelter protects us. But when the fire blazes, you wanna leave her to burn. In the depths of oceans old, her mysteries unfold. Through the desert's burning sun, where life seems to have none, I nurture every living soul in a cycle vast and whole. But I need a shadow, I need a soul to patrol. As a feather on the mossy floor, through the ancient gate in the canopy door. Black mask on my face keeps the silence loud, moving like a ghost through the mushroom cloud. Glowing blue spores floating in the air, you call the guardian here. Better beware, brown coat flowing, symbol on the sleeve. I'm the secret that the forest believes. Jayla, nature Gaia girl, she loves you like a mother. Then the ocean wave, they crash like in the moonlit night, she dances free. Her spirit guides us through the trees. Twisted sky. Under the majestic sky so wide, Jayla speaks as the winds collide. With every gust, I share my mind. Look at the left hand, look at the graft. Your ancient magic in the warrior's craft. No skin, just bark, just vine and wood. A power misunderstood, but it's understood by the tree. My essence flows through your veins, from mountain peaks to rolling plains. Crystal in the wrist, pulsating with light, turning your day energy into power for the night. I don't hold a sword, I don't need a blade. I strike with the forest that the ancestors made. If I'm human or if I'm a tree, I tell them I'm exactly what I need to be. Half shadow, half gloom, impending doom.